In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the pay period in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever found yourself needing to adjust your payroll schedule, whether it's due to a change in workflow or adjusting to your team's needs, QuickBooks makes it quite straightforward. Let's dive into the process and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you feel confident handling this task. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once you've logged in with your credentials, you'll find yourself at the QuickBooks Online dashboard, the central hub for managing your business finances. This is the starting point for all your QuickBooks activities, including payroll settings. Once you're at the dashboard, locate the Settings menu. It's usually represented by a gear icon, which acts as a gateway to a wealth of customization options that QuickBooks offers. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various settings to choose from. Next, you want to click on the payroll settings within this menu. This section is crucial because it governs how your payroll functions, including your pay periods. Navigating to this section is essential as it directly relates to the changes we need to make. Now here's where you can change your pay period. This section allows you to adjust the timing and frequency of payments to better suit your business operations and cash flow management. By making these adjustments, you can ensure your payroll is running smoothly and efficiently. Moving forward, you'll need to go to the Employees tab. This tab is dedicated to managing all aspects related to your employees, including their pay schedules. Here, you have the control needed to customize each employee's pay setup. After clicking on the Employees tab, you'll see a list of your employees. What you'll want to do is select the employee whose pay period you need to adjust. This will give you access to their individual details. Once you've selected an employee, the next step is to tap on Edit Employee. Doing so will open up the employee's profile, allowing you to make various changes to their personal and employment details, including their pay schedule. In the employee profile, you'll find the option to select the desired pay schedule. This is typically a drop-down menu where you can choose from different pay periods, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Carefully select the option that aligns with your organization's needs. And there you have it, a straightforward way to adjust the pay periods in QuickBooks Online. With these steps, you can tailor your payroll processes to better fit your business structure. Remember, keeping your payroll settings updated is key to ensuring your financial operations run without a hitch. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you today.